Are you tired of being bombarded with emergency alerts on your Android device? In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily turn off emergency alerts on any Android device. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your Android device, scroll down a bit, and tap Notifications. After that, tap Advanced Settings. And now, at the bottom, you'll see an option called Wireless Emergency Alerts. So go ahead and tap on that. As you can see, the emergency alerts are enabled on my Android device. You can turn off any specific alert by toggling off the switch next to that specific alert. Or if you completely want to turn off emergency alerts, simply toggle off this switch over here. If you scroll down to the bottom, you can see Alert Preferences. If you want to disable vibrations when you receive an emergency alert, toggle this off. Also, if you don't want to use text-to-speech to say wireless emergency alert messages out loud, just toggle this off. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.